how to get Unova stones in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bastant, and today I'll guide you on how you can get Unova stones in Pokemon Go, or how you can get the Unova stones. Now, as you know, much like the Sinnoh stone, you can get a Pokemon Go Unova stone by completing 7 days worth of field research. Those are the tasks you get from spinning Pokestops. Complete one each day until you have filled in all the stamps, then claim your reward, and there is a chance you might get an Unova stone. Essentially, you need to cross your fingers and hope you have appeased the Pokemon Go RNGeses recently so that you can get one. Now, there is a chance that you'll be able to get Unova stones from PvP battles with other trainers later down the line, but for now it's not possible, and the only way to get it, or the slightest chance to get it, is by doing the 7 days worth of field research. So this way you can get the Unova stone in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.